Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today we'll be doing the second challenge prompt for this month, that word being float. Does anyone ever want to float through the air like Kirby? Just me? Alright. So coming into this piece, with the word being float, I thought about all the things that people kind of think about when you hear the word float, like someone in the pool, a balloon, or maybe something in space. But I ended up going with a feather floating through the air. So I thought feather would fit the materials best. If you look at a lot of feathers from birds up close, you'll actually notice strands of metallic blues, greens, golds, reds. So I thought it would really complement the materials amazingly. But I will be quiet and let you guys enjoy this floating feather, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word float. I think this turned out absolutely beautiful, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now make sure you don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right on the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!